We're going to go over expanding binomials using the binomial theorem, part 2. This one's just slightly more complicated. To set this up, once again, you're going to start out with 4, which matches your exponent, and that 4 continues all the way down. Then you take your first term and raise it to the 4th power, and this first term, I put in parentheses so I don't lose anything, is going to keep working its way down. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. Okay, your second term is going to be working its way up, so it starts with the exponent of 0. Remember, these match. Okay, then an exponent of 1, and the 4th term keeps going up. Exponent of 2, exponent of 3, and exponent of 4. So just keep everything in parentheses so you definitely don't lose the value of that 2. Okay, then you set up your factorials, and this is set up as 4 factorial over 0 factorial. This is simplified, remember, to distribute. This is the factorials that go with this combination, and then you distribute this, and so forth. This one is the factorials that go with this combination. This becomes distributed, and this gets simplified. 4 squared is 16. And then this is the combination for that. This is the factorials for this combination. And this is to the 1st power, so this is 2x. And then this cubed is 64. And then the last one, this is the factorials. And this gets simplified to 64, because anything to the 0 power becomes 1. Okay, so if you need to see the factorials worked out, 4 factorials, 4, 3, 2, 1, that would be all the way through on the numerator for each combination. And then this becomes 4 factorial times 0 factorial, which is 1. This one is 1 factorial times 3 factorial, so this is 1 factorial times 3 factorial. And this is 2 factorial times 2 factorial. That's that set up. And then so forth. This would be 3 factorial times this becomes a 1. And then the last one is 4 factorial over 4 factorial, and 4 minus 4 becomes a 1. So when you simplify the entire problem, this is what you get as your expanded form.